Hi, this is Tim. We've been giving you a glimpse into the personal side of TW Controls on the weekends, and a lot of you have said, I wish my family worked together as good as yours does. While we're not the perfect family, the one thing we do is everything is done as a team effort. When we have a big project going on, the kids will ask, how's it going? And they're not asking just because they know, well, Daddy's going to want us to ask. They're asking because they have a genuine interest in it. And part of the reason for that is we always show that we have a genuine interest in their success. And this message especially is for you guys out there, is we have some tough jobs. And some of our decisions, if they're made wrong, can be the difference between life and death. But when you get home and you're spent, and your kid comes up to you asking you to help with your homework, don't be like, well, I don't know that. Go Google it. Help them. And if you don't know it, go Google it with them. I'm going to leave you with a clip today of our kid who was very worried about learning the tortoise and the hare. We were way stressed out at work. We were actually nearly going under. But for these 3 minutes, this kid thought his problem was the biggest problem in the world.
Stop! What are you doing? Why are you running like the wind?
The earth is cracking open! The earth will swallow us all if we don't run away!
Phooey, who told you the earth is cracking? We must take time to find out if such a thing is true, or is it that saw the earth cracking? Elephant?
Not I. Ask Tiger. He told me.
Not I. Ask Deer. She told me.
Not I. Ask the hares. They told me.
Not us. We did not see the earth cracking. It was the foolish little hare who told us.
Foolish little hare. What made you think the earth was cracking?
I heard it crack.
Where did you hear it crack?
I was fast asleep by the big coconut tree when a loud cracking sound woke me up. It was as loud as thunder. The earth is cracking open. I thought so. I ran as fast as I could. I do not want the earth to swallow me up.
We must go back and see where the earth is cracking.
I am not going back there. Nothing can make me go back there.
I will take you on my back. I will keep you safe.
The foolish little hare crawled slowly onto the lion's back. He did not really want to go back to the coconut tree. All the animals followed Lion King and foolish little hare back to the coconut tree. When they got there, the monkeys were still busy tossing coconuts to each other in the tree tops. Just then, a coconut fell and hit the earth with a loud crack.
You see, foolish little hare, that sound was not the earth cracking open. It was a coconut splitting apart on the ground.
The earth is not cracking? It was only coconut? Then I suppose I should go back and finish my nap now.
You foolish little hare.
All you other animals are foolish too. You must not believe everything you are told. You must find out for yourself what is true and what is not.
And so foolish little hare went back to the coconut tree to rest. All the other animals went back to munching and chewing, taking long naps and playing with their friends. And they never forgot that you cannot always believe what you hear. You must find out for yourself what is true.